Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Just coming on to show you all this concept that I'm working on. It's an all occasion gift basket, and I'm using one of these baskets that I got right after Easter, and I believe that I got this basket from was either Dollar General or Pop Shelf. I don't remember which one. But yeah. But anyways, so come with me as I put this basket together. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to first let me cut the extra strings off here. So I'm going to leave this bow on here. I like that bow. There, leave that on. And I'm going to use this right here, the bubble bath, and I'm going to use the handle as support. I'm also going to use this tumbler or Cool Gear water jug, as well as I have here this soaking salt that I got from the Dollar General a while back. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Like, let's make this level here. Okay. So let's go ahead and tape down a few things. Keep it from moving too much. Some longer tape. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm going to bring this up a little higher. Yeah. Okay. Also, I'm going to use this body spray from Pop Shelf, as well as the body cream. I also have, let's see, I'm thinking that I'm going to include this journal. So let's see if I can get that to fit. Maybe right there. I have to take the price off. Let's take the price off it. I got this from Pop Shelf right after Mother's Day um, for 50 cents. It was 90% off. And it's a journal. It says, Let not your heart be troubled. And I think this will look nice in here. So I'm going to include that. Let's put some more tape on here. Okay. Now I also have this pencil pouch, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use it. But let's go ahead and use the mask, the eye mask that we got from the Dollar Tree a while back. Okay, so let's see what so I have here the moisturizing body cream, the bubble bath. We have a sleep mask. I went ahead and put in this with soaking salt, and also from the Pop Shelf we have the body cream and the body spray. Now, also, I would like to add this journal, but let's cut this piece off right there. So, yeah, I want to go ahead and add that journal right there. And I like this loofah, and I'm thinking that with the journal, the colors in the journal, this would probably look good right there. So yeah, tape right there. Okay, and let's straighten this handle up so that it don't lean too much to the one side. Let's see. See what I can do here. I think we'll go ahead and put in some white thread. Fill in those spaces right there. Okay. Okay, you all. So this is what this basket is going to look like. Let's bring a little bit closer. And So I'm going to shrink wrap this and put a bow on it. And then I'll come back and show y'all the end result. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and share. I'd like to have you as part of my family. And if you're a subscriber, thank you again for coming back to see what's going on with your girl. So I do appreciate y'all. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this gift, and then I'll be back and show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the basket looks like now that it's wrapped. So I try to blend the bow with the ribbon here, but I'm not sure. I might change this bow because it's a Kringle bow. At least that's what I'm thinking. And I'm not sure that I like it. See if I can straighten it out some more, but if I can, then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change that bow. But this is the basket. This is what it looks like. So yeah. All right, y'all. So tell me what you think about it. All right. This is an all occasion gift basket. I'm not sure about the bow, but I'll think about that one. All right. Thank you all for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video, share, and please leave your comment. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you for watching the video. Until the next one, God bless. See you.